Hi, I'm Matt Zako with Crown Commercial Property Management, and today I want to talk about 5 habits that help us streamline our services. Unlike some common habits, these make you money. Number 1, automated scheduling. We enter everything related to your property into an automated master calendar and set reminders using the same software. You'll never get a call from us saying a clogged rain gutter caused roof damage at your building because we forgot to clear it out. Forgetting should be impossible at a 21st century property management company. But if you've dealt with less than the best, you know how common it can be. Number 2, regular inspections. We inspect each property at least twice annually and encourage owners to walk the buildings with us. Thorough inspections can turn up all sorts of tenant violations and damages, including unpermitted residential use. We want you to see firsthand the state of your asset and the attention to detail we put into our assessments. This will give you insight into why we request specific repairs. Number 3, preventative maintenance. We maintain your property so that paying a small amount now will save you a large amount later. Our HVAC vendors walk every one of the commercial units we manage to replace filters, check freon levels, and generally tighten things up. This prevents you having to replace HVAC units in the long run, which would cost exponentially more. You'd prefer a doctor who prevents a heart attack rather than one that just treats it afterward. Number 4, understanding your goals. Knowing exactly what you have in mind for your property helps us better tailor our service to your expectations. Maybe your goals have changed over the years. Maybe you just like to talk about how our service could improve in general. We're always ready for these conversations. And finally, number 5, going above and beyond. What makes us great is our ability to be more than just property managers. Any way we can help you with the care of your commercial property, we will. We'll refer you to the best insurance agents. We'll review pro forma analyses for you. We use our unique skill set to do extra credit on your behalf. That's because at CCPM, we take commercial personally. For more information, call 323-402-6607 or visit ccpm.net today.